Hello friends, today we are going to learn a very important function in Excel is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is like searching for something in a list and bringing back related information. Think of it like you look up a person's name in your phone contacts. Excel brings back their phone number. To explain VLOOKUP, I have taken a small example of a preschool student fee details. I have a two table student names that is called main sheet. Fee master is a table 2 we called as a reference table. You want to fill the fee amount automatically in table 1. So let begin. Type equal to VLOOKUP. What is lookup value here? Arjun. Now Arjun fee is available in fee master. So that is in table 2. Now I will click the first column, the student name, and drag and go to right side till fee amount. So I want to fetch fee amount. So it's in column 2, comma 2, and I want exact match. So I'll put 0 and close the bracket. Now you find Arjun fees from the fee master. Now simply drag for others. So this way you can use VLOOKUP to fetch or find search data from different table. So how VLOOKUP works? VLOOKUP means a vertical search from top to bottom. Lookup finds something. Excel looks at the leftmost column. Leftmost column. Search for the value you want. Moves to the right. Returns the matching information. Thank you.